10 Sandpiper Key Way is a renovated end-unit Meadowlark bungalow with a fully finished basement located in the heart of Swan Lake Village. It's the perfect entry-level home into Swan Lake. It offers complete turnkey living for a downsizer looking for easy one-level living with everything you need on the main floor and beautifully finished space on the lower level. And in Swan Lake, you get the easy condo lifestyle with the space of a house. Management takes care of the exterior while you just enjoy a vibrant village with friendly neighbors, 24-hour gatehouse security, and resort-inspired amenities. The 1,170 square foot Meadowlark model remains a perennial favorite. As you come up the front walk, there's a quiet patio area perfect for sitting out in the sunshine. Moving inside, you're greeted by a front foyer with ceramic flooring, coffered ceiling, pot lights, front hall closet, and convenient access to the garage. This leads through to an open concept, spacious living, dining, and sunroom area with updated laminate flooring, cozy gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and skylight. The dining room has a pass-through to the kitchen for seamless entertaining. The combined living and sunroom area has lush green views, a skylight, and a walkout to the gloriously private back deck. The stylishly updated kitchen features modern white cabinetry with ample storage space, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, under-cabinet lighting, a breakfast area with a skylight, new ceramic floors, and because this is an end unit, there's an extra window to allow for lots of sunshine. The primary bedroom has laminate floors and large windows overlooking the greenery at the back, 2 double closets, one which has been customized with closet organizers, and a renovated ensuite washroom with updated ceramics, quartz countertops, and updated lighting. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy. This room has laminate floors and a closet. It's located close to a second full private washroom, and the second washroom has been recently updated with new ceramic flooring, vanity, and lighting. This house has a fabulous finished basement with a spacious rec room with pool table and a cozy TV area with electric fireplace, a den, a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, a workshop with workbench, and a large storage room. The back deck is your private oasis all summer long, complete with a barbecue hookup. Surrounded by majestic trees, it's a leafy green paradise, nothing but the sound of the birds or the wind in the leaves as you while away a sunny afternoon.
Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call us at 905-477-0011. Ask for Kathy Walker or Adrienne Parker. You can also email us at info@walkerparker.ca or visit us online at walkerparker.ca. We'd love to share more details with you.